If you are looking to upgrade your kitchen with an air fryer that delivers convenience, power, and versatility, the Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1 TurboBlaze is a solid pick. This model features a generous 6-quart capacity, which is perfect for families, meal preppers, or anyone who likes cooking in larger portions. One of the standout features is its 9-in-1 functionality. You can air fry, roast, bake, dry, reheat, cook frozen foods, broil, proof, and more all in one machine. This takes the place of multiple kitchen appliances, which saves space and time. It is especially great for those who want to simplify their cooking routine without compromising on meal variety. The turbo mode sets this air fryer apart. It uses precision heating and a wide temperature range from 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure food is cooked evenly and quickly. Whether you are crisping up wings or slow-drying fruit, it handles the job with impressive results. Another bonus is its ability to cook with up to 95% less oil. This makes it a healthier option for anyone trying to cut down on fat without giving up on flavor or crunch. You get that crispy texture without the mess or added calories. It is also user-friendly with clearly labeled controls and fast preheat times. The sleek, compact design looks good on any kitchen counter and does not take up too much space despite its large capacity. If you are ready to make healthier meals faster and with less hassle, the Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer could be your new kitchen essential. Check out the link in the description below if you want to get one for yourself.